Hey guys, Beth here from Two Paper Sisters. I just wanted to talk to you about a brand new product that we are offering. It is our Sensory Rice Play Kit. Okay, so as you can see, this one has some unicorns on it. It might give you an idea of what's inside. Okay, so your Sensory Rice Unicorn Play Kit comes with this little informational card that gives you information about what's inside. So let's open this up and take a look. Okay, so first of all, you get this super cute unicorn box. And you can see it's a pretty good size. So you could store toys in there, whatever you want. So you get this really super cute, nice sized, secure container. Okay, inside, if you can see, are 2 bags of colored sensory rice. Okay, and these are special unicorn themed rice bags. So each bag has 2 cups of rice, so that means in total you get 4 cups of rice. This one, if you can see, is a purple and yellow blend, and this one is a blue and green blend. And then also inside is this little goodie bag of sensory toys. So you've got some unicorns in here. I'll open it up and show you. You've got some super cute glittery unicorns, a wooden scoop, and then some of these clear marbles. So that's the kit. Oh, plus our little thank you card that explains the kit and has our PIN code for more sensory ideas and our QR code for our website. So that's everything that's inside the box. So what you would do if you have a birthday party coming up, or you know, a Christmas or some other super awesome event, First Communion, whatever you have coming up, and you need a gift for a kid who seems to kind of always have everything, or you don't really want to get like another junky toy and you're just not really sure what to get, this is a great gift option. So the other option to do with this is, let's say that you're hosting a birthday party and you need a simple and fun birthday party activity. This kit would be great. You could set it up in a corner of the birthday party and let the kids touch, play, explore. And it pairs really, really well with our birthday party favors, which you can learn more about in a different video. So to actually play with the kit, so you get the kit, has all this stuff inside of it. This is everything, right? So to actually play with the kit, you would open up all the bags, the 2 bags, and dump the rice in. And when it was in, then you would kind of shake it around, and then you would open up this bag of toys and dump that in the bin, shake it around, and then you would just set it out for the kids to play. And the great thing is, since this has a lid, when they're done playing, you just seal that bad boy up and put it away in the toy room or wherever you happen to store your toys. Or if you have like a nook where you keep kids' toys that are easily accessible for kids, this is great. And this is a nice deep bucket, so the rice should stay in the bucket and shouldn't spill out. So yeah, so that's everything inside of our Unicorn Sensory Rice Play Kit. So as I said, it makes a great birthday present because it's kind of all in one. You're done. All you have to do is just add a card, a gift bag, and voila, your birthday party shopping is done. It also makes a really great birthday party activity. So I know we're not doing tons of birthday parties right now, but if you are getting a couple close friends together, this is a great activity for the littles to play in. And it's super easy, no prep, no setup, nothing creative that you have to come up with. You just dump the bags, dump the sensory stuff, and tell the kids to have at it.